Thanks a lot. Hi all, I'm Prashant Thakre. Welcome in this series of AWS Solution Architect Certification Exam Dump. So in this session, we are going to cover the question related to the Net Gateway. So let's jump on the question. Application servers currently deployed in a private subnet require the ability to integrate with a third-party service accessible through the internet. So let's highlight the main points in the question. Our services are there in the private subnet, and the services need to communicate with the third party service, so it needs internet connectivity. And private subnet are those subnet where we are not providing any kind of elastic IP address, means like public IP address. So it is in the not accessible by the internet, but the requirement is like that, in which way we can provide that communication between the third party and the private subnet. Which changes are required to provide the outbound internet connectivity in the VPC without providing inbound internet connectivity to the application server? So let's jump on the option create a net gateway. So yes, net gateway is very useful when we are talking about that, providing the internet capabilities to the private subnet to communicate to the outer world. The net gateway is a managed web service, and it can be useful to fulfill such kind of requirement. It is saying that without attaching an internet gateway to the VPC. So internet gateway is required. So if it is saying that without, then of course this is the wrong answer. Without attaching the internet gateway, there is no use if you are configuring net gateway. Create a net gateway and attach an internet gateway to the VPC. That is correct. Like you have created a net gateway and internet gateway is available into the VPC. Attach an internet gateway to the VPC without creating a net gateway, that is not possible. Attach an internet gateway to the VPC and create a net gateway. So here it is like that, if you will see the B and if you will see the D, it's like it is trying to create a confusion. So in these conditions, the right answer is like that: first you are configuring your net gateway and that you are attaching to an internet, because here it is not saying anything like that you are attaching or you are not attaching. So D is the wrong answer. You have to go for the B option. So in this diagram you can see that we created, this is the private subnet, the right hand side, and in the route table we are mentioning that the net gateway only can communicate with the app server which is there into the private subnet, and here is the third party services running, and this is the internet gateway. So by attaching this net gateway to the internet gateway by using a public subnet, you will achieve this requirement, and in this condition the private subnet will be able to communicate with the third party, and you can restrict outbound internet connectivity and inbound internet connectivity. This is all from